Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to your Tonkeeper wallet. And as usual, I will start with the receiving platform, and right now, we are currently in the Tonkeeper main page, which is conveniently the wallet itself. Now all we have to do is to tap on receive. Now once we have this, you can scan the QR code if you have another phone, but for this video, I will be copying the address. Now let's go over to our Bitget. So from here in the Bitget homepage, all we have to do is tap on assets on the bottom right and then tap on withdraw, select USDT, on-chain withdrawal, paste the address, and it automatically selects for us that it is indeed on the Ton network. Of course, enter your withdrawal amount. The tag or memo is optional, so we don't need to bother with that. Here we can see the fees. Just tap on withdraw, and it should be in your Tonkeeper in around 3 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.